How should babies be burped? Before burping, place a cloth on your shoulder and hold your babies upright with their chin resting on your shoulder. Gently pat or rub their back for a few minutes. You can also sit them on your lap. Place the palm of your hand flat against their chest and support their chin and jaw. Lean them slightly forwards and gently rub or pat their back with your spare hand for a few minutes. To prevent food from being spat out, keep them upright for 10 to 20 minutes after burping. This video is produced by the Family Health Service of the Department of Health.